Lami. Busog ko.
What up? Wait, try isahin to.
What up, G?
Oh, so full.
Love is in the air. I can smell it.
You guys spying?
Ano spying po?
Spying yung tumitingin parang nanonood, ganyan.
Spying ka
Tinitingnan kung ano nangyayari.
Hindi.
Yun naman, nainggit lang.
Nainggit lang ako.
Kasi,
Special yan.
How do you say cute?
cute, in Tagalog? Hi, Tim.
How do you say
Chin
cute?
is cute. I'm cute.
Cute?
Oh,
Wala.
walang direct translation. Cute din. What is cute? Yeah?
Of course.
So, kainggit naman eh.
Anyway, well, you have a girlfriend.
And, yeah.
Oh, may gig ka pa. May girlfriend ka pa.
Grabe, man.
What about later?
Yeah.
It's Valentine's.
Yeah.
Give love a chance.
No.
I feel lost ito. Grabe.
Bakit?
Kasi, I haven't talked to my girlfriend in 3 months.
Oo, kanina kung di ko pa sa'yo naka-Valentine's, batiin mo girlfriend.
Oh, I hate
Ay,
Valentine's.
ba? Ako din, hindi naman ako nagadiyo ng Valentine's, pero
Pero, like, grabe, hindi ko,
Hindi ko alam.
my thoughts na, wala. Dito lang.
Even your dreams, diba?
Oo.
kahit ako,
Mga panigit.
yan!
I mean,
Bawal yan.
So, miss ko siya. I miss her. Pero, I don't even know what's happening.
Hindi to.
Like, she could, hindi ko lang.
Pero gusto mo makausap girlfriend mo.
Oh, I miss her.
I
But I
think-
want to talk to her.
But I think it's a good thing na you have Slater here.
Bakit sila?
I mean, you treat him as your best friend, diba?
Oh, of course.
Pero you and this later, wag kang magagalit ha.
Hindi yan magagalit sa dito. Sige, tayo.
Siyempre
Hindi, pero, she said it herself. Ikaw rin yung nagsabi, diba? Na, Slater is the kind of guy na you would go straight for.
No, that was a joke.
Slater. Oh my God. It was on national TV.
Yeah,
No comment ako. No comment.
everyone knows that I was joking.
No comment ako, guys.
No. I think there was heart to it. Come on, diba?
No comment ako.
No
Don't you see
way.
yourself?
No.
Yeah.
Sobra.
Anyway.
I don't.
Really?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh,
If I did, then...
I mean, I think it's a cute.
no, I'm really gay. I'm really gay.
Fine.
Gusto ko pag babae. Hindi ko gusto lalaki.
Maybe you're just
Oh my God! Sobra.
Or maybe your actions says otherwise. That's what you're
Pwede.
thinking.
No, I know. Oh, no.
Diba? Her and
Me and
Slater.
Slater?
Yung una?
Is there something?
Yung una?
No, me.
No, me and Slater.
Nung una?
Ano, what about you, Slater?
Wala, they said that I like him.
Hindi, you were the one who said na
No,
you're
it
the...
was a joke.
Ikaw, naniniwala ka ba na, when she said na si Slater yung kind of guy she would go straight for?
Kahapon?
Do you believe that? When she said it? Oo. See? Oo, because it turned red, ganyan.
Because it's funny.
No, I think it was,
Oh
at
my
least,
gosh.
there was truth to it.
Slater, oh my gosh.
What do you really think of
No
Slater?
comment.
Not in that way.
Seriously, what do you think of Slater?
He's a great guy, honestly. No, not in that way. Wala. Totoo. Wala. You guys are
Bye, your lapper is open.
salamat.
Hey, Ipis.
Oo nga.
Oh, Ipis? Saan?
They went in the water now, so it's the dulo.
Grabe.
Love is in the air. It's Valentine.
That's so fun. I found out I was a lesbian when I was like 3 years old.
Or maybe you will find out that you're really a girl here in PBB.
No, it's just because I have traits of me that are, of course, feminine because I'm proud of being a girl. Pero
She likes girls.
gusto ko babae.
Girls, kiss them girls. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero ba na-miss mo yung girlfriend mo?
Pero hindi ko alam. I don't know.
nangyari?
Oo.
Pero is there anyone in this house na you think you like?
I have a crush on Denise. I told her that already.
Denise?
Uh-oh.
Oh, si Denise. Ba't? Talaga?
Nagulat si Bigel eh.
Hindi man, Denise lang.
Yeah, for
Like,
sure.
careful with that kasi he's from the province and they're kind of very conservative. Parang na-overwhelmed siya. Nabibigla.
Hindi si Denise. Parang hindi siya.
Do you think later?
Hindi si Paris later.
Ano?
Good evening, housemates.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Tony. No! Wala. God, I don't even know her. Wala.
Pero,
No. She's maganda. Pero wala.
I like a I think I like a lesbian best friend too.
You're walking the mall. Pero, chicks hot.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna find myself
My friends in Cebu, they always use me to pick up girls because girls feel more comfortable
With girls.
talking to girls. Tama?
That is true.
So they bring me and they're like, have you met Divine? And then I calm them down and then they come in for the kill.
Yeah. Good. Actually, I've used that strategy.
Oh, it works.
Very effective strategy. I just wanna hook up.
Yeah. It works.
Diba, Bigel?
Wala ko naintindihan, English eh. Alam niyo, no? Kaya ako, ganun lang ako. Pero wala ko naintindihan.
Pero,
Oh, you're still thinking about it,
ano?
Later.
No.
Yes. Your friend said it's like, pero you were gonna say?
No.
You were gonna say?
No, I don't know here.
So you're thinking about it.
No, I don't hear it. Like, you know, every day you're with someone outside. Pero dito, it's like, wala siya.
Pero, to be completely honest, tanong lang, what do you think of Slater? What does he think of you? Honestly.
Wala, friend.
Honestly.
Friend lang.
You never felt anything more than that?
No.
What if he thinks otherwise?
Then it would be weird.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Aren't you gonna accept that?
No.
Don't you like it? Wouldn't you like it?
No. Cause me and Slater are not, we don't, it's weird if it's like,
So maybe that's the reason why he doesn't want to say it, because number one, he doesn't want to break your friendship. Ayaw niya sirain yung pagkakaibigan niyo.
no, I'm not, no.
Kasi ikaw, Bigel, what you notice, because I think you've been with them na mas matagal. Sino mas naguto? Si Slater kay Divine or si Divine kay Slater?
Hindi, pero pag once na yung mga pag-ano sa confession room ba,
Yun.
pag yung mga partner, huwag kang magagalit ba yun,
I just don't
No,
see
hindi
it.
siya magagalit.
I just don't,
I think I know how Divine thinks.
Nakagkitan din ako sa inyo, na-sweetan din ako sa inyo.
Sino mas may gusto? Si Slater or si Divine? Sa isa't isa?
Ayaw ko din sabihin kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam.
Hindi, opinion mo lang, sa nakikita mo. Ako sa tingin ko, mas may gusto si Slater kay Divine.
Ako din.
grabe.
Pero hindi niya lang inamin.
Hindi kakita ko.
Hindi ko
Of course, because you're denying it.
No, kasi it's,
Diba, Kev, when you deny something, you will be blind. Because you don't want to see the fact that, because he's a really great guy, and you want him to be...
I've asked him already.
How did you ask?
Asked Slater, what do you think people think of us here? Because a lot of people think that we have a thing for each other, and we both said wala, like wala. I just don't, and
What did he say?
I don't know. Opinion ko.
What did he say?
He said wala. Because I know his type of girls. I mean, I might fit the type of girl, pero I'm not girly enough. I met his other half in Cebu.
His ex.
Probably, but they're still kind of. I met her before I met him.
Later.
2 years ago. I met her 2 years ago. She's freaking pretty.
She's super pretty.
But she's like natural. Doesn't wear makeup.
Talaga?
And sporty. Wakeboard siya.
But she's like girly. She's a little girly, but she's doesn't wear a lot of makeup.
No, she's girly, but she doesn't wear a lot of makeup.
Kevin likes Slater's ex-girlfriend.
She looks like the girl in Vampire Diaries. the main girl, pero like maganda.
Wow.
An Asian version, maganda. She's pretty.
Paris later pa.
Pero no, Seder's not my type. He's too.
Not your type, but his type.
He's too clean. Like.
So what do you like about him?
His personality. I like bad guys. If I were to date a guy, it would be a tattoo, like.
You never know. Sometimes, diba? You end up sometimes with a, as in.
Complete opposite of what you're.
Diba? Sometimes.
It is the complete opposite of what I.
That's the thing, and you click somehow. How do you think that works?
I think that's why we click, because we don't find each other. We don't want to date each other. That's why we click.
Ba't may mga ano dito ng Yossi?
Pwede.
Ay, I miss
It's what?
Yeah, I know. Ang sarap kaya nun. Pag busog, di ba? Try mo na yun. Busog tapos pag nasa CR. Yung naberto ka, tapos kagabi umaga.
Oh, grabe. Grabe, I wanna talk to my girlfriend, man.
Ano sir?
Yeah,
Is it because it's Valentine's?
No, I hate that.
Still, maybe.
I just wanna know what she's thinking and stuff.
Do you think your girlfriend might get jealous between you and just like something?
No, she's gonna get jealous of me and Denise.
No.
Because my girlfriend knows me and she knows that I would never go for a guy.
And that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Because you can go for a guy.
Yeah, but
you'll never know.
Nakita ko na
you guys seriously, if you know my family, if you know everything, no way.
Not a guy?
No.
Kasi, I don't
That's
know.
why I find it funny. That's why I can't help but laugh. Because it's not, wala.
Kasi when Luz went to the other house, sa industrial, and then of course we asked about you guys, the original Barong-Barong kids. And then, I think one of the first things she said was, sabi niya, alam mo, si Slater at si Divine, something's going on. Tapos, na-mention niya parang, sila na nga eh. She honestly believed that you were together na, in secret lang.
Oh, like we had a secret past?
Not a secret past. She really thought that, you were together.
No way.
That's what she believed when she went to the other house.
It's not me. It's not me.
Even if Slater looks like Bear Grylls,
No.
acts like Bear Grylls, or actually is Bear Grylls. Why Bear Grylls?
No, I think you.
He has a big crush on
I think
Bear.
when you come to Cebu and you meet my family and stuff, like in person, you'll understand that it's funny. Because all my friends, my family, they could never see me with a guy. Even in a dress, even wearing heels,
That's why you said.
wearing lahat, girly things, lahat. My parents are laughing at me and my friends. Because it's not me.
You wore that dress and those heels.
Lahat.
Oh, during the ballroom? That's so
No,
hot.
not even during the concert.
But yeah, that's for a joke though. I mean, I did that for.
Taka nung birthday ni parang Carlo, nag-heels siya. Tapos dress pambabae.
But you rocked it though.
Yeah.
I'll wear it for other people, but I don't wear it for myself. I don't know. It's funny. It's funny. But yeah, you'll understand when we go clubbing and stuff. You'll understand.
Okay.
Cause I don't look at the guys. I'm with guys.
Looking at the
I'm
girls.
looking at girls.
That's hard. I want a female, a lesbian girlfriend. Seriously. That's so hot.
A lesbian girlfriend.
Well,
How is
I
that
think
gonna
I
work?
That's a friend.
I actually had a relationship, not a relationship, pero
So,
I had a thing with a lesbian before.
talaga?
Like, something like it.
Talaga?
Yeah, she was Chinese.
That's weird.
And we... Never mind.
Talaga?
Not talk about, but yeah.
Talaga?
It was a week affair. Or maybe less.
Wow. Oh, a flower thing.
Oh, yeah.
Continue it, mamaya.
Sure.